Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am giving you some tips to organize your bedroom if you have a small area like I do. So if you want to see my organization tips, just keep on watching. Remember to subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Like, share, comment, all that fun stuff, and let's just get started with this video.
Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah. Still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah. Still feels right. 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 Oh yeah.
Containers. I'm gonna put my socks and underwears and bras in here. I am going to go through all my underwears and socks and throw things away that I don't want anymore, because socks get dirty over time, so I just need to do that. I'm not going to record that, but it also has, just like the other one, dividers, so I could just divide it up and then do it that way. So that's another way to organize if you don't have a dresser, and I'll show you where I'm gonna put it so it could be out of sight. Okay, so this is under my bed. I feel like it's out of sight, out of mind. All I have to do is pull it out, unzip, get what I need to get, and it actually keeps me more organized, because I'll just grab the first thing on top and then go, instead of digging to figure out where I want to wear. This is just pajamas, and then workout clothes, these two, and then look how many pajama shirts I have. I need 3. But yeah, so all I have to do is pull in. I'm using my foot, but all I have to do is just pull out whenever I need it, as well as my underwear and all that other stuff. I'm not going to show you because I don't want you guys to see my undies, you know what I mean. Anyways, so that's pretty much one idea you guys could do if you have a small room and no dresser. So that's amazing, and it's very sturdy. So I'm going to put that link in the description box below, because I was searching for one of these and Walmart didn't have one. Actually I did, but it was sold out, and I was like, I ain't going back to Walmart because I don't like Walmart. But I got it off of Amazon, and I should show you what I got previously. It was so flimsy and a hot mess, and it did not like hold up anything like how this is. So definitely worth it. I will have it in the description box below, both of them. Excuse the mess. But this is what I had previously, but like look how flimsy this is. It's not even sturdy at all. So I was like, no, I need something a lot more sturdier. So this was not a good purchase. Like it didn't even hold up. Bad idea.
You don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind. Oh, it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of a kind. Oh, now the hard time's over. And for a moment, I won't look back now. Yeah, and it's moving closer. I can feel it coming. Oh, now it's my time now. Oh, now when I look back, it's like it's another game that I'm playing now. 'Cause it's finally here, finally, yeah, yeah. Oh, 'cause it's finally here, finally, yeah. Ooh. I've been staring again, gazing at the night sky, and even though it's the same, ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I